All right, with cables, we're going to work the chest again. Let's go top to bottom. So get your CableStation. So if you have one just like this, use it. Or just have the cables about that far apart. Let's get it to where it's about shoulder height. Use single ropes. If you don't have single ropes, grab just the cable. But what you're going to do is I'm going to step out towards you. Just take a step back a little bit. Here. And remember, I want to work the upper pecs. I don't need the elbows crossing low. I need them to cross high. Just like this. So I come back, the elbow breaks down quickly. Now I just think bicep to bicep. What's the shortest path there? So immediately start squeezing together. Like that. Do your best to keep your shoulders back. As you do the movement, feel like you're putting pressure to go backwards in order to stay balanced in the muscle. So don't push this and let your shoulders come through. You want to stay back and even move backwards as you do it. Let's see how I'm pronating as I bring it across, like I'm pouring out pitchers of water. Rotate like that, and that's going to hit more in the upper pec. Hit that set, switch your handles. If you can find them real quick, here they are. Right back to it. All this is going to do is just change our elbow angle. So now instead of crossing high, just a little bit lower, same mechanics to it, shoulders back, bicep to bicep. All right, set there, change your angle. So I would bring this down just a few notches. Same thing, same mechanics to it, just bicep to bicep. So that pressure's gone from upper, as far as outside, to inside, and then now I went down to mid. Next set I would do is I'll bring them down again, even lower, and this one I'll do a real lightweight on. All right, pay attention to the form on this one. It's all about just the elbow going forward and backward. I don't want the handles all the way at the bottom, because if I did that, when I'm at the stretch position, it's going to be trying to pull my joint open. I just want to let my elbow go back as far as it can to the stretch. Chest stays high, chin's up, shoulders are back, and I'm just going to push everything out in front, bringing bicep to bicep, just like that. Work on the initiation here. Can you feel just the pec? Start the motion. And you feel that on the lower inside. Hit that set. Bring the handles back up. Grab these. Step outside a little bit. When you're doing a chest movement, you want some kind of retraction. So here, I want to retract with my traps. So my chin's going to stay up. And I'm going to retract, squeeze my traps. The biggest key to this that you guys need to work on is the flexibility of your shoulder. Can you do this? You know, does anybody have the flexibility to rotate their shoulders? A lot of people have trouble with this. All I'm getting at is, after you get done with this rep, so you're going to bring bicep to bicep, and you're going to have a little supination for a scoop at the bottom of this. Right here. Now, when the weight comes back up, you need to lead with your elbow. Don't let it pull your wrist ahead of your elbow. So you don't want your stretch to look like this. You want to get to the squeeze, and you want your stretch to look like this. So I think about keeping my hands actually close to my body, and my elbows go up. And just do the best you can. See what's comfortable. Push your limits though. Try to challenge your flexibility. Work on the initiation. Squeeze across. There you go. That's going to be more in that mid outer part of the pec. Set after that. This is your last set on here. Get actually inside the cage, parallel with everything. So you're not out in front. It's not retracting. Really all you're doing is a shrug on the stretch of this. So pretend like you're on a set of dip bars and you're doing a dip. So you're just pushing your palms to the floor, but you're bringing bicep to bicep. Like bicep to bicep is going to meet in the middle through your body. So you're just up tall like this. 1, 2, stretch. Like that. That just worked a little bit higher on that outer part of the pec. So that's it on cables for your segment there. Now I want to move to dumbbells and incline bench.